George here with Coatings by the Bay, your local ceramic coating expert. We are based in Grand Chute and serve the entire state of Wisconsin with mobile services, as well as in studio, as I said, here in Grand Chute, primarily for those in Appleton and Green Bay. But if you want to take the drive, feel free. This Camaro only had to take a short drive down the road from De Pere, but he opted for our gold package. And what he asked multiple times is, hey, this is the best of the best, right? The answer is absolutely. Gold package includes a step of correction, which he's kept the paint in pretty good shape. But there was some hard water spotting we were able to take out. It's completely normal with these hot engines. Black paint sitting in the sun in the summer. So even though it only had 2,300 miles on it, there was a little bit of correction needed. After that correction, you get an 8-year coating applied to the paint. You get coating applied to the rims, all the plastics, including headlights, taillights, the glass, all the badges, anything and everything gets coated on the exterior except rubber. And that is strictly because ceramic coating just does not stick to rubber well. After that, he opted for the only upgrade that's available for the gold package, and that is to add an interior coating as well. Give you a quick peek at that. Beautiful deep color now. As I always say, it's a non-greasy, just satin look that's going to be added to all the leather. Red was only a slight change, but certainly the black and the grays in here pop a lot more now. So again, this is a gold package. It's the best we offer. It puts you absolutely ready for cruising season. I am filming this on April 16th, and we are already booking May. I guess that's what happens when you are rated 1.06. Yes, an average ranking of 1.06 for ceramic coating across 500 square miles. It's unheard of. Part of it is because how extensive the website is, how well we answer questions. Part of it's reviews. Google puts hundreds of factors into that. But we are rated 1.06 across 500 square miles. More about that claim on our website, but it does make me kind of giggle when other people put the best or, top rated, or obviously only one shop can claim that in the area, and we have the facts to back it up. So if you are pulling out your summer vehicle, you didn't get it done last year, or you're just buying your brand new summer vehicle for this year, give us a call. Again, we exclusively install and maintain ceramic coatings. We do offer mobile service as long as you have an indoor space, like a garage, with basic water and power available. Our studio's in Grand Chute, just minutes from Victory Lane. So if you're buying that new car, be sure to give us a call. We can guarantee that you will be satisfied. And the craziness behind that is that we offer a 200% money-back guarantee. Been doing this nearly a decade, over 1,000 vehicles coated. It is not that I fine printed somebody or anything like that. I have never had someone request any form of refund from us. My goal is that you're going to be satisfied for the lifetime of the coating. And this client can call me for at least the next 8 years and say, hey, X, Y, and Z is going on, and the answer is going to be bring it by, we'll get you taken care of. So again, this is the gold package, includes the rims, the glass, all of the paint, a step of paint correction, which normally it's just polish included in our packages, the plastics, headlights, badges, just anything and everything. Again, just showing these rims one more time because they are just a gorgeous satin color now. And look, if the gold package is just a little bit too much, you're not looking for that. You're just trying to get your basic paint protection. We started at $875. It's a 5-year coating applied to all the paint for a vehicle this size. Trucks, vans, SUVs, $995. We're not here to break the bank. Never high pressure. Never forced upsells, bait and switches, fine print. I don't do any of that. The goal is for you to fully understand what ceramic coating is, what it can do, If it's right for you, shocker here, it's not right for many. It's a very, very small, collection to make sense on. And truthfully, daily drivers are the answer if you're willing to maintain your vehicle the right way. I know a lot of people think garage queens are definitely the best candidates and 1965 whatevers. No, the vehicle's driving in salts all winter, and seeing the bugs in the fall, and the daily drivers are who need it most. Certainly getting a car like this beautiful for the driving season is awesome. And that is 50% of our clientele is luxury vehicles like this. But a good portion of who I serve is just new Toyota Camrys. They want to protect the paint because their Camry is more expensive than ever. They just want to make sure they get every dollar they can out of that car. So don't be turned off by it's always Camaros and Mustangs and Teslas and Porsche. I do plenty of Toyotas and Nissans, BMWs, Mercedes, every brand I serve. So again, if you're looking for ceramic coating anywhere in Wisconsin, we offer in-studio service for those in Green Bay, De Pere, Neenah, Oshkosh, Appleton, all that right here in Grand Chute. And then we offer mobile service to the entire state. Single day turnaround. You can drive the vehicle 3 hours after installation, 24 hours before it gets wet. And then this vehicle, since it just got coated today, cannot be washed until 7 days from now. So again, I'm filming this on the 16th. We're already booking into May. So don't think May 10th, you're gonna call and get an appointment on the 12th. This is the busiest time of the year because all of these vehicles slowly come back out of the garage. So one last time and I'm all done, wrap it up. You can text me anytime for a quote. Again, my name's George, 920-659-0023. We have all of our prices transparently posted on the website as well as booking forms. So you can lock it in yourself, never talk to me. I know salesmen get a bad rep. My goal is to fix that within the auto industry, and specifically the ceramic coating industry is, just everything transparent. I hope to talk soon. Have a good one.